Hi guys, we received this full face mask for gas for burning purposes, and it comes in this orange bag, well packed. And let's see. Okay, this is the mask. It has these white parts so you can see. Okay, it has this harness here so you can adjust it here in the back. This is where the filter goes, and it comes with the actual filter. Okay, I'm gonna open it. The filter of this gas mask comes very well packed in this plastic film, so let's carefully open it. It tells us here in this part the storage temperature, which is about 30 degrees Celsius in a humidity less than 80%. It expires in the year of 2041, which is nice, and it was manufactured on 2021 on January, I think. This is a carbon filter 20SOF, so let's see how it goes. Doesn't smell anything. It goes in this part, like this. And you get this tab out of here. You take it. I'm gonna leave it because I don't need it. And I'm gonna put it on. And take my glasses off. Bravo 6, going dark.
Okay, I need to breathe properly, so I'll adjust it. I have my hair all over the place, but it doesn't matter. You make sure it's tight because, well, it's a gas mask. It needs to be tight. And there it is. I don't know how it looks on, but it feels comfortable. It seals right, which is something nice, and I like that if you don't take this out, you ain't gonna be able to breathe properly, but once you take it out, it's done. Okay? So it fits correctly, it seals nice, and it feels of a very nice quality. See you.